Hey guys, Owen Prince here, back with Bioshock 2. This is my second day of recording. I've got a bunch of stuff I need to deal with in my life, so I am trying to pump these out. Yeah, I've really been enjoying the game so far, but yeah, this is April 19th. Anyway, without any further ado, let's get started. Yeah, we're looking for the tears and memories of Elizabeth's mother. She also has a new outfit. And my plan is when I personally finish the game, I want to, at the very least, see if I can throw together a, not analysis, but, like a quick short or whatever, just going over my thoughts for the game. Shock charge. Yeah, I think if we get that, like, I've really enjoyed using that. The extra shield and telekinesis perks are wonderful. Do we need to go through here? Yeah. But again, so far I've really been enjoying the game. There are a few issues with it that I want to go over in the review. It'll probably be like a short.
Seems like the box had chosen their favorite color.
Seems about right.
It'll probably be like a short or whatever, but yeah. Want to maybe try to get a bit more into making some shorts, like, because I have a few things I'd like to say, but I don't think it'll really be worth it. Alright.
That's insanity. What proof would you have that Mr. Fink would hurt the Lutesses?
The Lutesses told me.
The Lutesses? When?
Yesterday. Yesterday morning.
Rupert, they've been dead these 7 days.
Huh. Interesting. Is that the tear? Where's... Okay. Oh god. Yep. Come on, crows. Stun him.
Nice.
That was unpleasantly close. Where do we need to go again? I Okay, sniper rifle. I'm good with my carbine and, Mauser. Up here. Wunderbar. Wonder how our Columbia is doing. You know, like, the one we actually are from. Because we're on, like, what, the 4th or 5th variation of Columbia that we've traveled to. Alright. Do you want us to go back to the graveyard? Or, okay, down here. Right, through here. I feel like the backtracking through here is sort of not putting a hamper on my enjoyment, but it's... I sort of equate it to the little sister level in Bioshock 1, you know? Like,
Fancy putting those lock-picking skills to work?
it's decent, but,
Challenging. Got it.
you know, I feel like there's
Okay.
so much more that could be done with it instead of just that admittedly decent enough level, but wasn't all that enjoyable compared to the rest of the game. In my opinion, that is. Thank you for tolerating my monkey business. Salts. Lovely. I think that's our tear. Only one obstacle. His office. Okay, in New York. Huh. It's a lot of repeated photos. Ah, there's the box.
Comstock has sabotaged our contraption. Yet, we are not dead. A theory. We are scattered amongst the possibility space. But my brother and I are together, and so I'm content. He is not. The business with the girl lies unresolved. But perhaps there is one who can finish it in our stead.
Huh. Interesting. Yeah, let's just increase our salts. Think we can, you know, get it maxed out by the end of the game. What do you have to say, Rosalind?
Comstock seems to have been made sterile by simple exposure to our contraption. The theory. Just as sexual reproduction can de-emphasize the traits of each parent, so goes the effect of multiple realities on our own. Your traits dissipate until they become unrecognizable or cease to exist.
Interesting idea.
It's my mother.
I assure you, madam, my sexual interest in your dear prophet is non-existent.
Madame Lutess.
Furthermore, the man is quite sterile. Yes, boy. Come and get you little bastard! I want her out of my house!
Sterile.
They weren't my parents.
Then what were you to them?
A child that needs
Hell if I know, Elizabeth.
Wanted you to understand her.
Who? You mean... Alright, come on.
Right, let's get this.
Lady Comstock seems to believe the child is a result of some errant act of carnality between myself and her beloved prophet. I told the poor woman the truth, that the child was a product of our little contraption, but I think she found that less believable than her delusion.
Interesting. Shit's getting wild, man. Like, I know that Bioshock plots tend to pick the fuck up towards the end of the game, but like, dear lord, this is just kicking it into overdrive, man. I want to make sure we're actually recording. We are. Lovely. 11 minutes in. Are we gonna have to kill your mother, not mother, again? Because I am not in the mood to do that. The hell do you get behind there? The fuck? Okay. Fucking hell, man. Right, we need to return to Comstock House. Even more backtracking. Yippee-ki-yay.
He killed Lady Comstock. Tess's...
And anyone who knew the truth was better dead than alive.
I'm not his daughter. I'm just some specimen to be poked and prodded.
No, you are not. Elizabeth, listen. What you've been through, ain't nobody in the world deserves that.
Booker.
We are getting out of here. You got it? You're never gonna have to look back.
Onwards and upwards. Yeah, it feels kind of weird having a voiced protagonist for a Bioshock game. Where's Comstock House?
Tess is not my mother. He killed you both. Yes, you. I know you hate me for not being your daughter. And I hated you for not being my mother.
Oh god. Ow. Let's get that mosquito up. Health would be preferred, Elizabeth. Health, Elizabeth. I don't care about ammunition right now. I care about not dying. I know I'm low on salt. flat cannon. Lovely. That's not my immediate concern right now, Elizabeth.
Salts, catch! Booker, catch!
Lovely. Come on, die. There we go. Fucking peek. Fuck with my accuracy, I might as well just use a pistol. There we go, just keep picking them off. Yep, mosquito. I'll let you guys play with that for a bit. Boom. "51 shots. Fine by me." Where's Lady Comstock? Okay, back there. I think we need to push for higher ground. Oh god. That's lovely, Elizabeth. Tell me when you do.
Booker, here!
Perfect timing.
I'll try to keep you stopped.
Where's that mosquito?
Thanks.
Wonderful. What's this over here? A sniper? Lovely. Sniper won't help all that much, I'm afraid. There we go. Yep, get that skeeter. Well, I am impressed with the gunplay and the enemies actually using cover.
Take it!
That'll do.
Focus her. Get the mosquito back up and running. Miss Comstock, please calm down. I understand this is not a good
Go ahead.
Okay!
event for you, but please, madam. I don't feel like dealing with this right now. Oh. Are you dead? Madam Comstock?
I owe you an apology.
Oh?
Comstock used me to bring you back, but I brought back a version of you from the reality that I had built up in my own head. He pretended to love you, like he pretended to love me.
Uh-huh.
I am not your husband's bastard. I am his victim. My days of victimhood are done. We must forgive each other.
Good for you, Elizabeth.
Because there is one far worse than you or I.
Prophet killed me.
Because you wouldn't keep his secret.
If that's so, then why am I alive?
Not in this world. Maybe this is you and another.
Uh-huh.
Never meet him.
When I saved him.
Is that possible?
Find out, child. Find out.
Thank you.
Lovely. Onwards and upwards, I suppose. That's a lovely little thing. Oh god. Hey, songbird. Ow. We found a way to get into the house. Okay, cutscene.
Bring us the girl and wipe away the debt.
Lost the girl and wipe away the debt.
Oh boy. It's been a while since we were here, wasn't it? Open the door. Oh, welcome to reality. Hey, songbird.
Stop it! Stop it! Don't hurt him!
Oh,
I'm sorry.
what's...
I never should have left. Take me back.
No, Elizabeth?
Take me home. Please.
The fuck?
Elizabeth!
That's
Gotta catch up to her.
concerning at best. Yep, just keep running. Should I have explored that room? Probably.
I'm not letting you take her, you hear me? Ah, you mother piece of shit! I'm not going to...
The fuck?
Snow. It's July. Elizabeth! Can you hear me?
Dear Lord.
Get your hands off of me.
Continue onward.
Take me back to my tower. Please, please.
You guys are damn creepy. Hello. Presidential punching bags, it looks like. Oh god, and you're phasing through reality? Not enough figures, huh? Wonderful. Anything in here that can heal me? Nope. Lovely.
Damn it! I gotta find a way in.
Intercom.
Listen, I just want to see the girl. Where are those? Doesn't matter. I just gotta get to the warden's office.
Warden's office, huh?
What is this place? Just send me back to my town.
Your father gave you a lovely home, and you chose to destroy it.
He's not my father.
I suppose the siphon is a kind of leash. Yes, my father put it on me. But when the time came, neither did I remove it myself. What would happen if I took off the leash? And I found I was as obedient as ever.
Uh-huh.
Like my father, I can see all that would be.
Fucking reality distorting. Why are you guys distorting reality? It's concerning. Warden's office over there, huh? Lovely salts. There we go. Keep beating Benjamin Franklin to death with our hands. Get the salt. Lovely purifying chamber.
Would you like to pray with me?
Please just let me go.
I'm going to cure you.
I'm not sick.
The spirit is. All I ever wanted was to see you live up to your potential.
Mm-hmm. Wonderful. That's what I'm going to call the episode. See you guys next.